Portsmouth Public Library proudly presents a production made for Take Your Child to the Library Day, narrated by Jayden.
Becoming a library book.
If you were followed by a pigeon when you entered the library, please remember to ask the pigeon to stay on the bus and not in the driver's seat.
First, the barcode is placed on the cover of the book, being careful not to block out important stuff like the title or Gerald's face.
Our barcodes have 14 digits on them. That's longer than a phone number by 4. Do you have your favorite book's barcode memorized? Impress a librarian next time you come in and recite it.
Next, the librarian adds the barcode and other information to the book's digital record. This information includes the book's subject, shelving location, and call number. After barcoding, the book must get a spine label based on the call number, so that the patrons and librarians know where to find it on the shelves. The call number is based on the section the book goes in and the author's last name. This book is a hardcover/early reader, so the spine label should look like this. Good job, Piggy. Now the label is put onto the spine of the book, about half an inch from the bottom. A piece of see-through tape is stuck on the top to protect the spine label.
Thanks, Jayden. The cool thing is, if you hop on the library catalog and search for a book you're looking for, you can see what the spine label looks like. Need help finding this information? Just ask a librarian. We're here to help.
Finally, the inside cover gets a sticker with the library's address in case you get lost. And it's stamped with the date it is processed.
Not only that, Jayden, the date is also helpful when noting what books are new and figuring out if we need more copies if it's a really popular book and it's checked out a lot. This can help get those Elephant and Piggie favorites and new titles to you faster. Just please, don't let the pigeon drive the bus.
Hooray! We're done processing the book! Woohoo! Great job, everyone. The book looks fresh and ready to be checked out. Take the Library to Your Child's Day is brought to you by the Portsmouth Public Library and literary stuffies everywhere. Happy reading!